Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a pistol marshmallow gun. To make this marshmallow gun, it takes 1/2 inch PVC, and you're going to need 2 elbows, a T, and an end cap. And then 4 3-inch pieces and a 5-inch piece. So what you're going to do to start is you take your measuring tape, you mark all your pieces to cut. You want 4 3-inch pieces and a 5-inch piece. Then you take your PVC cutters. These are like $5, $6 at Harbor Freight. And they make a nice clean cut and fast. And my 4 3-inch pieces and then my 5-inch. So now that we're done with those PVC pipe cutters, now what you're going to do is start putting it together. I always put it together first so that I know which way to glue it, and then I always start from one end and glue it through, and then glue the last pieces so that I know that I glued every piece and didn't skip a piece. Then you just use your PVC cement, PVC glue. Rub a little bit on there. You don't need primer for this, just because this glue is really strong anyways and it's going to hold good. And it's not like you're going to be watertight or anything, airtight. It's not going to go under much pressure, so just want to start gluing that together. And you want to make sure that all your pieces are straight. And I always like to do this over a board so I don't get glue on the carpet or anything. Then you can, to make sure you're straight, you can lay it down on both sides. And that usually straightens it up a little bit. So that one's glued. It doesn't take very long. So now I have the 2 guns made. Again, it's just 4 3-inch pieces and a 5-inch piece of PVC. So 17 inches of PVC, and you have a marshmallow gun pistol.